Top 5 exercises that keep your body strong after 60. Good morning, and welcome back to your trusted channel for senior health and wellness. If you're over 60, or caring for someone who is, this video is just for you. Because today, we're talking about something essential for your independence, your energy, and your peace of mind: staying strong as you age. We often hear that growing older means slowing down. But the truth is, you have more control over your strength, balance, and vitality than you think. The key lies in regular, targeted movement. Not hours in the gym. Not intense workouts. But simple, smart exercises designed just for your stage of life. So grab a glass of water, take a seat if you need to, and let's walk through the top 5 exercises that keep your body strong after 60, and why they're so important for your health and independence. Why strength matters after 60. Before we jump into the exercises, let's take a moment to understand why this matters. After age 30, we start to lose muscle naturally, up to 3 to 8% per decade, and after 60, that rate speeds up. This process, called sarcopenia, can make daily activities harder, things like climbing stairs, lifting groceries, or even getting out of a chair. But here's the good news: muscle loss isn't permanent. With the right exercises, you can rebuild strength, improve your balance, protect your joints, and even reduce the risk of falls, which is one of the biggest threats to seniors' health. Exercise number 1. Chair squats. Let's begin with one of the simplest and most powerful exercises: chair squats. Why it's great. Chair squats strengthen your thighs, hips, and glutes, the muscles you use every day to get in and out of a chair, climb stairs, and stay steady on your feet. How to do it. Stand in front of a sturdy chair, feet hip-width apart. Slowly lower yourself to sit down, don't plop, then stand back up using your leg muscles. Try doing 8 to 10 reps, once or twice a day. Tip: keep your knees aligned with your toes. If you need support, use the arms of the chair. Bonus benefit: this move improves balance and coordination, reducing the risk of falling or losing your footing on uneven ground. Exercise number 2. Wall push UPS. Next up, wall push UPS, your best friend for upper body strength without straining your joints. Why it's important. Weak arms and shoulders can make tasks like lifting groceries or opening jars difficult. Wall push-ups build strength in your arms, chest, shoulders, and even your core, helping with posture too. How to do it. Stand a few feet away from a wall. Place your hands flat on the wall at shoulder height. Slowly bend your elbows and lean in, keeping your body straight, then push back. Start with 10 reps, rest, and repeat once. Tip: keep your movements slow and steady. Don't lock your elbows. Feel it in your chest and arms, not your back. These 2 simple exercises, chair squats and wall push-ups, may seem small, but they're mighty. Done consistently, they can rebuild lost muscle, improve your everyday function, and give you the confidence to move freely and safely. And we're just getting started. Exercise number 3. Heel raises, for balance and stability. Heel raises may seem small, but they are a balance booster. Why it's great. This exercise strengthens your calves and ankles, which help prevent falls and keep you steady on uneven surfaces, like stairs or sidewalks. How to do it. Stand behind a sturdy chair and hold the backrest for support. Slowly rise onto your toes, lifting your heels as high as comfortable. Pause, then lower your heels back down. Try 10 to 12 reps. You can do this daily, even while brushing your teeth. Tip: try to keep your body tall and your movements controlled. Don't rush. Exercise number 4. Seated knee lifts, for core strength and hip flexibility. Strong abdominal muscles help you maintain balance and avoid back pain. That's where seated knee lifts come in. Why it matters. This simple move targets your core and hip flexors, which are crucial for walking, standing, and overall mobility. How to do it. Sit up straight in a sturdy chair. Slowly lift one knee toward your chest. Hold for a moment, then lower. Repeat with the other leg. Aim for 10 lifts on each side. Tip: keep your back straight. Use your core, not momentum, to lift your leg. Exercise number 5. Gentle torso twists, for flexibility and spine health. As we age, our spine tends to get stiffer. But gentle twisting motions can keep your spine flexible and improve circulation in your core. How to do it. Sit tall in a chair, feet flat on the floor. Place your hands on your shoulders or across your chest. Slowly twist your upper body to the right. Hold for a few seconds, then to the left. Repeat 8 to 10 times per side. Tip: don't force the twist. It should feel natural and comfortable. That's it. These 5 simple, safe, and powerful exercises can help you maintain strength, balance, and confidence well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Remember, heavy check mark, go at your own pace. Heavy check mark, stay consistent. Heavy check mark, and always listen to your body. Even just 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a lasting difference. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend or loved one. And let us know in the comments, which exercise will you try first? Stay strong, stay well, and we'll see you in the next video.